Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure Typesetter CMS on CentOS 8.1. Typesetter is open source content management system which is written in PHP. Typesetter CMS allows you to edit the content of your website. It has built-in flat file storage, so it doesn't require a database to store like MariaDB and SQL. It has a faster than WordPress CMS, other variant of CMS. So now let's proceed with the installation process. So for Typesetter CMS, first of all we will install Apache web server. Just downloading the packages. Now installing. Okay, it's complete. After that we will start its service using systemctl command. We will make enable it. Now we will check status. It's active and running. Now install MariaDB server using im command. Installing. Installation is complete. Now start the service. Started. Now make enable it. Now check status. It's active and running. Now make it secure. Change root password. No. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privileges tables now. Yes. Installation is complete. Now we will install PHP and its module. Downloading packages. It will take some time. Installing. It's complete. Now LAMP installation process is complete. Now we will download Typesetter CMS using wget command. We download it complete. Now we will unzip it using unzip command. Unzip. Now move this Typesetter master to its Apache root directory move. After that, we will set permissions using chown command. Chown. Now, using chmod command, we will set permissions for the directory of Typesetter. Now configure virtual host for accessing the Typesetter using vim command. Go insert mode. Virtual host. Now it's completed. Right and quit. Now restart the Apache service. Go to your browser. Type your domain name here. This is the requirement for Typesetter CMS. Now configure admin credential. Admin username, admin password. Click install. The installation is complete. Now view your website. So this is your Typesetter CMS dashboard. Here is admin setting. This is admin. You can log out from here if you want to log in as admin. username, give a password, login. You logged in as admin. Now you can change any setting from this admin panel. So this is the method how to install Typesetter CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.